Hi guys, welcome back. I'm really happy you're here. If you're new to the channel, just tap that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the good stuff. All right, enough of me talking. Let's get into today's video.
Hello guys, so welcome to today's video. We are going to be talking about how to turn off active status on Facebook. So firstly, you are going to open your Facebook application, then you are going to click on this three button icon at the top here. So we are going to scroll down and look for setting and privacy. We look for setting and privacy here, then you click on settings. So this is your Facebook settings. Anything you want to adjust on your Facebook account, you can do it here. So what we are going to be looking for next is for active status. We are going to scroll down until we see something like active status. This is it. Click on it. So this is your active status. It shows when you are active on Facebook. Other people are going to know when you are active, but when you off this thing, others won't know when you are active, and you won't know when others are active too. So that is the function of this active status. So if you want to turn it off, that means you don't want people to know that you are active on Facebook. You are just going to click on this button right here. You are going to click on turn off. That's it. But if you want to turn it on, you want to know when people are active, and you also want people to know when you are active. All you have to do is you just have to turn this back on again. So that is it. This is how to set your active status on and off. So that is it. It's no more than that. Thank you.